Hi there, welcome back. My name is Veena Prashant. Now this is part 2 of a 4-part video series. This is all about member dashboard, how to create a smart membership dashboard using DApp's member dashboard builder. Now Digital Access Pass DApp is a membership plugin for WordPress and it comes with a very powerful member page builder. So in this one, what I'll do is show you how to install DApp on a brand new site and then how you can use the DApp setup wizard to create your member-facing pages. DApp Setup Wizard will help you easily create member-facing pages such as member dashboard, login page, member profile page. And once you create it, right, using the wizard, once you create it, then you can always go back and update it. In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can install DApp and then how you can use the Setup Wizard to get started with DApp. And then in the next video, I'll take you behind the scenes where we are going to create a few products, we are going to create a few courses, and in the final one, we are going to put this all together. We are going to create a membership dashboard, update the membership dashboard, add different sections, add different categories of products, and then we'll take a look at the front-end user experience. So this is a brand new site. I don't have DApp on this site yet, and I'm going to just quickly install DApp and then show you how you can set up a membership dashboard. Now, even if you have an existing site, if you already have DApp, it's the same thing, same steps to set up the dashboard. All right, so here, this is the DApp Easy Installer. Now, DApp Easy Installer will help you easily install DApp on your site. So you just have to upload the Easy Installer plugin on your site. And then under settings, you will find DApp Easy Installer and just follow the steps there to install DApp. I'm going to go ahead and install DApp. All right, DApp installation is complete. That's it. As simple as this. Go ahead and access the DApp dashboard. Welcome to DApp. So this is the backend of DApp and this is the DApp dashboard. And we have this easy setup wizard which you can use to quickly set up DApp on your site. If you have an existing site, you already have member facing pages, then you don't have to use the wizard. You can go to DApp member facing pages. You'll find all the pages you already have and you can edit it. You can make updates to it. We have added so many different options now, so you can definitely edit and update it, or you can create brand new pages. You can directly do that in the DApp member page builder. You don't have to use the wizard. But if you're new to DApp and if you don't have member-facing pages, then I would recommend using the wizard because it just makes it easy to create these pages. So here you can create your member-facing pages such as a login page, member dashboard page, my content page, my account page, error page. Now these are some of the member-facing pages you're going to need right away. When you are running a membership site, you need a place where members can log in from. Member dashboard is exactly what I'm going to show you how to create. Now this wizard will help you quickly create these pages, but once it creates it with the default settings, you can always update it, right? You can go to the backend. Now this is the DApp member facing pages right here. You can see under DApp, this is where you will find all the pages that DApp will create for you. This wizard will create for you. All the member facing pages will be here. So you can always go there and find whatever you want to edit, and you can edit those pages here. So we'll do that later. So let's go ahead and create all of these different member facing pages. Login page, this is where your members can log in from to access the products, courses, whatever you offer from your membership site. This is the login page. And member dashboard, this is the one we talked about, and this is the one we are going to customize. And this is the new member dashboard builder I was talking to you about, and I'm going to show you exactly how to customize and add different sections and showcase different categories or products in your membership site using your member dashboard. We'll do all of this later. I'm going to go ahead and get the setup wizard to create these pages, default pages, but we'll go ahead and update it later. All right, my content page, this is a page where if you want to, for example, if you have a membership product and you want to allow people access to different pieces of content under that membership, so they get access to several pieces of content under that same membership product, this my content layout will allow you to display the product. And when they click on the product access button under the product, they're going to see list of all the content they have access to under that product. This is very useful if you have several pieces of content under a single product. I'm going to call it my profile. This is where your members can update their password, billing details, name, email, whatever, right, they want. This is a my account page. Error page, this is the page to which your users will be redirected if they try to access something to which they don't have access. All of these pages, we're going to get the wizard to create it, but you can always update it, right? You can always customize it, personalize it, add whatever you want. You can always update all of these pages. Let's go ahead and create it. Done, all right? Added successfully. All these pages are ready. And next step, is just documentation, right? Depending on what you want to create, you can watch any one of these videos. If you want to create an online course, watch this video. If you want to create a digital product, download, you can watch this one. If you want to create a membership, watch this one. If you want to understand user experience in a membership site, you can watch this one. And the rest of the documentation is all here. Payment options. How do you sell the products that you create in DApp? We have a shopping cart plugin for DApp called Smart Pay Cart. You can use it to sell the products and services that you create in DApp, but you don't have to use SPC. You can use whatever shopping cart platform you want to use as long as it integrates with DApp. That's great. And summary, that's it. All right, so that's all the wizard does. Really straightforward, simple. This is just to help you get started with DApp. All right, so now that DApp has created all of these pages, next thing what I'm going to do is create a couple of products because this is a brand new site. I don't have any products here yet. So since I want to show you how to showcase different products, courses in a membership site using the member dashboard builder, we need a few products first. That's it for now. In the next lesson, I'll take you behind the scenes. I'll show you how you can create different types of products such as digital download, video training, and we'll also create a couple of courses. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my newsletter, be sure to do so. It's at membershipsitechallenge.com/newsletter. I send an email once every week, every Sunday. And in my email, you're going to get simple, step-by-step, easy to implement, actionable marketing strategies, membership strategies, quiz strategies that are designed to help you build and grow a successful and profitable online business. Hope to see you back here soon. Bye for now.